The first thing we notice when we step into the factory is hygiene and order. Everything is sterile, everything is under control. After the slaughtering process, the meat is carefully shredded and classified. Here, each piece is separated for different purposes. Now we come to the most exciting part. Shredded meats are processed and packaged with high-tech machines. This huge facility is a marvel of technology where meat is processed to the highest quality and turned into perfect minced meat. These machines carefully select the meat, separate it from the bones, and turn it into clean pieces. Isn't it incredible? This huge facility is a miracle of technology where the highest quality chicken meat is processed and packaged. These super-fast slaughtering machines work at an incredible speed, cutting hundreds of chickens per minute. Each slaughter is carried out with care, and the highest standards of hygiene are observed. In this process, chickens are carefully cut into pieces and the best parts are carefully selected. Have you ever wondered how these delicious foods are produced? We will see how the meat is finely ground in giant meat grinders. These machines are so powerful that they can process tons of meat in 1 minute. The mixture, filled into long and thin casings, turns into perfect sausages. The machines here are so precise that every sausage is the same size and thickness. This technology is truly amazing. Sheep coming from the farm to the factory. The sheep, each carefully selected, are kept in large, clean, and hygienic environments. The next step is the processing line, where the sheep are carefully slaughtered and cut into pieces. This is where state-of-the-art machines come into play. These machines ensure that meat is processed in the most efficient and hygienic way. Quality control is carried out at every step, so the best meat comes to your table. It all starts with meticulously selecting the freshest chicken meat. These meats are carefully inspected to meet the highest quality standards. Meat is minced with huge machines and blended with special spice mixtures. This stage is the beginning of the flavor explosion. The mixture is filled into sausage casings with these high-tech filling machines. With incredible speed and precision, each sausage is stuffed perfectly. It all starts with meticulously selecting the freshest pork. These meats are carefully inspected to meet high-quality standards. The best bacon starts with the best meats. These magnificent machines come into play. The meat is cut into perfect strips with precision slicing machines. After cooking, the bacon is sliced again and gains its perfect texture. As you watch this step, you will almost feel the flavor. Imagine fresh beef stacked in rows, going through quality control. Each piece is carefully examined before moving on to the next stage. Then the fascinating curing process begins. In the special packaging area, each hamburger meat is carefully packaged to preserve its freshness and prepared for shipment. Welcome to the giant meat processing plant. Here, the highest quality meats are carefully selected and cut into large pieces. Afterwards, these pieces of meat are sent into huge meat grinders. These machines finely chop the meat and turn it into minced meat. Forming machines form each patty the same size and shape. Then, the meatballs move on to the cooking part. Adult turkeys are sent to modern slaughter facilities. In these facilities, turkeys are processed hygienically and humanely. After the slaughtering process is completed, the meat is carefully shredded and made ready for processing. Now it is time to process the meat. Large meat grinders finely chop the turkey meat and turn it into minced meat. First, let's talk about the beginning stages of this incredible process. The highest quality meat is carefully selected and brought to the factory in large pieces for processing. Afterwards, the meat is sent to large chopping machines. These machines chop the meat into appropriate sizes and prepare it for further processing. Each piece of meat is carefully chopped and prepared before the canning process. Here comes the giant beef jerky factory. These machines you see ensure that the meat is processed perfectly. First, high-quality meats are carefully selected. Only the best are included in this process. Then, the meat is carefully chopped and the marinating process begins. These enormous tanks allow the meat to be marinated with the most delicious spices. Each piece of meat is carefully marinated to achieve the ideal taste and texture. This stage creates the unique taste of beef jerky. First of all, the highest quality chicken meat is carefully selected and prepared for the process. This stage guarantees the freshness and taste of the nuggets. Chicken meat is chopped and ground to perfect sizes in huge machines. These machines ensure homogeneous processing of meat. Everything is made according to the highest quality standards. Special molds and machines turn the chicken mixture into nugget form. Then, each nugget gets its gold finish. This coating provides the nuggets with their unique crunchiness.